Hello pupils, welcome to our art and craft lesson. Our substance is texture and our substrand is feel of substance. Feel of substance. So what do the word texture mean? The word texture means is the feel of a surface or substance by touching. Feel of a surface or substance by touching. Then we have different types of textures. We have different objects that have different textures. And how do we know that these objects have different textures? This one I have said is by touching or feeling them. It's either you touch them or you feel them. That is how you differentiate the textures of different objects. So I have examples of different textures written on the blackboard. So with the hard textures, we have objects like metals, wood, and stone. Just to mention a few. Metal, wood, and stone. Those are substances that have hard texture. And I have the stone and the metal with me. Just a quick example. For me to break this metal, it is not easy to break it when I'm using my bare hands. But if I want to break it, I can get another material to help me break the metal. But breaking it using bare hands is not possible. Same with this stone. For me to just come and break it is not easy. But I can break it maybe using a hammer. That way I'll break it. Then we have substances or objects with rough textures. An example, we have sugarcane, pineapple, and a wall, or walls of a building. Those are examples of objects or substances that have rough textures. Why do we say a wall? We know that there are some walls that are smooth, but there are some walls that are not smooth. That is why we are saying that a wall is an example of a substance that have rough texture. A sugarcane, when you take that sugarcane before peeling the outer cover, it is always rough. Then a pineapple also, before you peel off the rough cover, to get to the inner part now, the outer cover is always rough. Then we have soft textures, objects or substances with soft textures. This one, example, we have a pillow, bread, and ripe banana. They are usually soft. If you take a piece of bread and touch it, feel the texture by your hand, it is always soft. A ripe banana too. When a banana is ripe, it is always soft. So that is why or how you know an example of difference between a rough texture and a soft texture. Then we have objects or substances with smooth textures. We have pumpkin, mango, and apple. Pumpkin, mango, and apple, just to mention among others. When you touch their outer coat, you will always find that they are very smooth. They are very smooth and you will enjoy touching the outer part. So that is all about textures. To find more of this, log into our Soma Plus app. Bye.